Today we're going to talk about more complicated carrying when executing the subtraction algorithm. So let's suppose we want to take 5001 and subtract 724. Okay? Well, when we look at the ones position, well, we see that we need to borrow or regroup. But we go to the tens position and there's nothing to borrow. We go to the hundreds position, there's nothing to borrow. You have to go all the way to the thousands position. Okay, so we turn this into a 4, and then we make this a 10, but then we immediately have to borrow from it. So this is a 9, and then that makes this a 10, but then we immediately have to borrow from it. So that's a 9, and this is 11. Okay, so 11 minus 4 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. Like that. All right, so what's going on here? Well, as usual, let's say 5001 minus 724 is 5000 plus 1 minus 700 plus 20 plus 4. And we want to do the usual rearranging, but we don't have any hundreds or tens digits. So what we need to do, and I'm going to go sort of off to the side here, we need to pull 1,000 from the 5,000. Okay, so 5,000 is 4,000 plus 1,000. And this 4,000, or the 1,000, is equal to 900 plus 90 plus 11, or plus 10, I mean, I'm sorry. The 1 from the 11 is from here. Okay, so we're going to rewrite this as 4,000 plus, now the 1,000 is 900 plus 90 plus 10, and then there's this plus 1 remaining. Minus 700 plus 20 plus 4. So I get 4,000 plus 900 minus 700 plus 90 minus 20 plus 11 minus 4. $277. Just as we got above. Okay, so it's definitely more complicated. But just using the algorithm makes it fairly straightforward. Now, here's something that I wish they taught in schools. Here's a sort of non-standard way to do this, but honestly, I think it's easier. Notice that 5001 is just 4999 plus 2. So let's take 4,999, subtract 724 from it, and then just add 2 to the result. Okay, and then because all these digits are 9, we don't have to do any borrowing. right? This is 5, this is 7, this is 2, this is 4, and now we just need to add the 2 back. I don't know why they don't teach that in school. I think it's pretty slick. It's very easy if you have a number that's just a little bit above some multiple of 1,000 or something like that. But it will work anytime, actually.